Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. Jones here today to talk to you about your math lesson for today, which is going to be lesson 13.2, and it's going to be finding the area. So I want to quickly go over three quick definitions for you and then show you three quick examples so that you can hopefully complete your math lesson without any problem. The three definitions are right here. I have area, which is the number of square units to cover a surface. And if you look at my drawing there, the area is in the inside, so it's covering that inside surface. The equation is area equals B times H, and the B and the H stand for base and height. So if you look again at my drawing, I've labeled it. So a base can be any side, and then the height is that line that runs from the base to the top of the object. So what you're going to do is when you're finding perimeter, you were adding all those sides. Today, you're going to multiply one side base times the other side height. Okay, so let me show you three quick examples here. The first example I have is in the blue. And you can see we just have a regular rectangle labeled in feet. And we have the base as 5 and the height as 3. So that means that we would have 5 times 3 equals 15. And since it's feet and it's square units, you would write 15 square feet would be your label for that first one. 5 times 3 is 15. For the one in red at the top, we have a square that is kind of rotated on its side, and you can see the base and the height are the same. So we have base is 2, height is 2, because we know a square, all the sides are the same length. So we would have 2 times 2 equals 4, and again, it would be square inches. Okay, and then our last example is a little bit different. I wanted to put this one more in terms of a bigger unit. This could be like maybe a yard that you have in your backyard at your house. And you can see that we have 15 as the base and we have 9 as the height. So we're looking at 15 times 9. And if you could just come over here and do your work. 15 times 9. We have 9 times 5 is 45. 5 down, carry the 4. We have 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. So for this problem, our answer would be 135 square yards. Okay, so once again, take the base and multiply it by the height to get your area. So we would have 5 times 3, 2 times 2, and 15 times 9. So that is how you find the area of an object. There might be a couple problems today where you're trying to compare, so you might have to do 2 math problems and decide which area is larger or smaller. So that is how you find the area of an object.